Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be repairing Hank Williams Jr.'s hips. I don't know about the mouth yet. I'm probably not going to fix the mouth yet. But I'm going to fix his hips. It's just like the Rock and Randall, it needs a new 10-tooth gear. So we're going to start now. The one thing I don't like about this one though is that like the pants are actually glued to this shirt. Which takes longer than just pulling it down. Oops. I don't want to pull on the tie. Oh god. Yeah, I'm afraid of ripping. Okay, there we got it. His pants are like really tight, so they're hard to pull down and pull back up. Cause I believe it doesn't even have a Velcro or anything. So his pants are just like really tight. Oh, that's why I'm having trouble pulling it down. They have it glued. The pants is glued up. Meh. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna have to pry that glue off. Yeah, the pants are not easy at all. Like the Rock and Randalls, they just pull right down. Like, but the Hank Williams, it's different. It's glued up. There's like a little spongy piece too that's glued with it, which makes it harder, I believe. Get that. There we go. It's starting to. It's not going to be easy to pull back up though. Oh god. Yeah, see this is... Yeah, see all that spongy stuff was covering... Ew. That just made the whole thing dirty. Okay, and we gotta get those little black things out of the pins again, just like the Rock and Randall. Ugh. Yeah, that's... Where's that other little flathead? Yeah, this flathead doesn't work for getting those out. I don't know where that one went that I usually use. It's like a, it was like a yellow tipped. It had like a yellow, it had a yellow handle. I had another flathead. Oh, here's. Yeah, those black pieces are a pain to get out. They come out right out when you use the right size flathead that actually can pull them out. But if you don't have the right one, it takes a while. Yeah. Jeez. The Rock and Randall didn't even take that long. This one's taking a lot longer. Oh, but the black piece is already out though. I think that one's out too. Yeah. Yeah, it just fell out, so... Push those pins out. Alright. Oh wow, that is a way different lever piece than some other of the others. I need to take off that piece. Because if I don't get that off, the mechanism won't open up either. Oh boy. There we go. Jeez. This is a pretty old rubber belt. Okay. There's the split gear. Right. Alright. Time to put it back together. A little... Oops. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Oh yeah, I gotta put the screws back in first. Oh wow. Just went in the pants. That one's not the right one. Here it is. Yeah, the reason I'm not really talking much in this is because I already showed you how to do it in the Rock and Randall video. Okay. The batteries are going to be a little bit low. I have to use the present pack for it because, again, it doesn't work for regular batteries because it's so corroded that the inside of the contact snapped. So it only works for an adapter and, like, plug-in slots. I mean, this runs on batteries, but it functions as an adapter because it has a jack for the, yeah, you know what I mean. Oops. Ouch. Now, let's see, it's probably not going to be easy pulling the pans back up now. Yeah. These batteries are too low. Okay, for real this time. Oh yeah. Oh, whoops. Yep, there we go. Looks like the speed dial is turned down a bit. Yeah, pulling the pants up isn't going to be easy at all. Yeah, they really should have put a Velcro on the pants because it's ridiculous how tight it is. just afraid it's gonna break or something because I don't want to put a lot of stress, but it seems like you have to put a lot of stress just to pull the pants up because they keep slipping back down. Like, there's gotta be a Velcro, but I've looked and I don't see one because I don't understand why it's so tight. My old one was really loose. Oh, come on. I don't know how I'm going to be able to tuck this shirt back in. This should not take this long. Almost there. Jeez. There we go. Huh. But his shirt needs to be tucked in. Okay. There we go. Still pretty loose. But that's probably the belt, the rubber belt. Let's see. Let's turn the speed dial up though, because it's going a little slow. Oh geez, yeah, that's a lot faster. I think that's too fast. Eh. So there we go, it's fixed. Doesn't look like the head is as fast as it used to be though. But anyways, there he is. His hips are fixed. The mouth is gonna be... I'm gonna fix his mouth a different time. So thanks for watching.